So today I'm going to be replacing the stock front spoiler of my 2000 Golf GTI with this Golf Anniversary style aftermarket ABS spoiler. So installation's pretty simple. You've got to remove the grille. Plenty of videos on how to remove these. Literally, they've got poppers that you pull back, a little clip there, pull it forward a little bit. You've got to remove this bonnet release lever and the grille pops off, and then you've got to get the bumper off. There's 4 Torx screws in the arch liner each side. Remove them, nice and simple, they're already undone. And then once you remove the grille, you'll expose some more Torx bolts. These are the Torx bolts. These are T30, I believe. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you've got to pull that panel off and that panel off, and there's one under each of them as well. From experience, put a lot of WD-40 on these because I've had some before. They've rusted in and sheared off, so hopefully they'll be okay. Now that's off, the bumper pulls forward and there's a little temperature sensor that you need to disconnect just on the right hand side. And there's some big spider webs in there. Yeah. Got the bumper off. We need to separate the spoiler from the rest of the bumper, and there's like little clips all the way down. You've got to sort of prise them out, take your time, careful not to break anything, and then once you prise them all out, it simply slides off. So the sides come off quite easy. When you get to these bits, you have to sort of do it one by one. Just sort of prise the screwdriver in, push the clip down, and it should push out. Oh, she come out quite easy. There you go. So while we're here, I'm going to go around and clean all the bits you can't normally get to, and then we'll put the new spoiler on. So shiny fresh spoiler, let's get it on. So far so good. Front spoiler's on, but what they don't tell you when you're buying this is that the little lugs that stick through the spoiler that go into the bumper, they ain't got the little lips on them, like the little arrows where you lock them into place. So it lines up fine, but it don't stay in. So what I've had to do is use some Tiger Seal and sort of seal it all into place. Just sort of blobbed a bit round each of them little lugs, and like run a little thin bead around there. So that is on, and it actually lines up pretty well. So I've got to let it set overnight. You can kind of get the idea. Definitely looks a bit meatier, sticks out a bit further at the bottom. Does seem a little bit lower, but yeah, looks pretty damn sweet. But a little bit disappointed that they don't tell you that in the item description. But if you're interested in buying one of these front spoilers, they do look pretty smart. But again, they should tell you about this. You know, it's an easy fix, but you know, I'll put a link in the description to these, and I'll let the company know, because they do sell some pretty decent parts. But you know, they should let people know that you do need to do a little bit of work to them. So I'll let this set overnight, and once it's all dried I'll button it all back up, get it out in the light, and I'll show you what it looks like in the morning. It's 7 o'clock on a spring evening, nice and sunny, so I thought I'd take the Golf out for a spin. I don't like taking it out in the rain, so I'll give you a little look as we're standing now. She's looking pretty darn good. Got the 18-inch rims on. I've got a new GTI badge on the back, red. She's looking clean. Side angle, the tyres are definitely looking good. And round the front with that front spoiler. Yeah, that's definitely made a big difference. A lot chunkier profile, fits nice, looks good. Really nice fit, quite impressed with that. But yeah, she's looking nice. Nice tight example. Definitely recommend getting one of them splitters. I'll put a link in the description. It was only £45 including delivery. And it makes a big difference. I think I may actually keep it black. Don't know. Quite like the way it looks now with the black wheels. So, enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date on more videos on this Mk4 Golf. Which otherwise, this car coming. I'll see you all very soon. Thanks for watching. Peace.